Okay, let us start. So yesterday we have started with ethics, integrity and aptitude, right? Now, today what are we going to cover? So today we are going to cover values, okay? Values is a very, very important part of our syllabus. Why values is very, very important part of our syllabus? Because basically if you see, then the entire ethics, जो भी हमारा syllabus है, or the entire concept of ethics, according to me, it, you can say, has the base in values. Ethics is all about, you can say, values, right? So that is why in this chapter of values we are going to study what are values. Okay, values kya hote hain, and then you would also be seeing what are the different dimensions of values. So there would be different, you can say, values. Yes, please write in the chat box. We have seen the definition of values. What is the definition of values? Please write in the chat box. Yeah, I'll be sending this PDF, don't worry. So what is the dimension of the, you can say, values? Yes, क्या है मतलब dimension of the values से अच्छा, you can say what is the definition of the values. We have already seen what is the definition of the values. Yeah, yes, absolutely correct. They are the standard of human conduct. Vaishnavi, they are the standards of human conduct. Absolutely right. So we have got this different values or dimensions of values. Like we have got human values, we have got some of them are moral values, some of them are, you can say, the societal values. Okay, and then in our syllabus we also have, yeah Chetan, I'll be, you can say, sending the PDF, don't worry. And then in civil service we also have the values which are there in the civil services. So values, we have seen the definition which is there yesterday. Then we have seen today what are the different dimensions of values. So some of them are human values, which we'll study in the future course, you can say. Then we have seen some are moral values. Moral values हमने क्या देखा था, ये इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे जो वैल्यूज है उनको बोलेंगे moral values. And then some are the societal values, right? Societal values, yesterday I told you, they are social norms, okay, habits, then they become traditions, they become customs, right? These are the social values. And then you can say we have also seen, and in it is in also in our syllabus, that we have got some kind of values which are expected to be, you can say, always followed by a civil servant, and these values are called as civil services values. And we saw that if you follow all those civil services values, what is the value, you किसके definition में हम देखा कि if you follow all the values which are expected out of a civil service, if you follow all the values expected out of a civil service, yes, हमने कहाँ पे देखा ये, where did we, you can say, see this? Yes, probity, absolutely correct. Yes, very good. So we saw that in probity, Aditya, Sheel Mohan, absolutely correct, right? Okay, so हमने वो probity में देखा हुआ था, right? Okay, so now if we, you can say, go ahead, then just a moment. Okay, so I think that you can say the UPSC guide students can also see my, you can say, face now, right? Okay, so these are the different, you can say, dimensions of values, right? And then values we have seen, basically whenever we, you can say, see the values. Okay, so whenever we see the values, at that time what do we basically see? So values can be strong values or they can be the weak values, right? तो आपके कोई strong values हो सकते हैं, weak values हो सकते हैं. Values can also be universal values, that is they are accepted by all. Usually the values which are accepted by all, usually the, you can say, universal values are called as ethics. Are called as ethics. तो ethics मतलब क्या है? Ethics अगर आप देखो परिभाषा, so what is the definition? What is the purpose of this ethics? The purpose of the subject ethics is that you want to find out some universal values which you can say tell that these values are good, these values are bad. Are you understanding this? So we have to come to that, you can say, stage, right? Then values, we can categorize values also as old generation values. Are you understanding? And new generation or the present generation values. This all things we are going to discuss over the course of, you can say, this entire जो हमारा module रहेगा, that. Now, what is the relationship of ethics and values? This I have already told you. So as I have told you that you can say the entire ethics, आप अगर ethics देखोगे, so ethics is, you can say, based upon values. तो ये values है और उसके ऊपर पूरा ये ethics dependent है. You can draw like this. This is values and this is ethics. So ethics is built on values. Therefore, we need to understand the values first if we want to understand the ethics. That is why we have started the entire module of ethics through values. Okay, then whenever we say, okay, whenever we say कि you can say values, और वैल्यूज की हम बात करते हैं, तो आप क्या बोलते हो सर? आप यू कैन से क्लास में तो ये सब चीजें बोलते हो, यू टॉक अबाउट यू कैन से वैल्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग इन द क्लास, ओके? सो this all you can say talk in the class, but what about you can say in real life? But what about in you can say real life, right? So in real life, is the value इतना वैल्यू को इंपॉर्टेंस है क्या? हम लोग वैल्यू फॉलो करते हैं क्या? आप यू कैन से जो चीज है, ओके, जो चीज है वो आप सिर्फ यू कैन से इसमें पढ़ा रहे हो, क्लास में पढ़ा रहे हो, बट दिस इज ऑल वेरी वेरी थ्योरेटिकल. This is all very very theoretical. In the real life we are hardly following values. That is what most of the students say. Do you agree to this agreement? Do you agree to this you can say line of argument or not? Do you agree or not? Yes, usually लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Values are all bookish, they are all you can say this, okay, values इतने कोई important नहीं है लाइफ में. देखो ethics में इतना याद रखना, I am going to tell you a very important thing today, okay? If you believe in ethics, then only my friends you are going to get good marks. If you feel that ethics is only there and you are just going to theoretically study this just because you want to get good marks and you don't have the belief in ethics, automatically that is going to be reflected because originality कहीं ना कहीं reflect होगा. So इसका मतलब ये है कि ethics इतना important है, day by day the importance of ethics is increasing so much in you can say our lives that ethics is one subject जिसका importance बढ़ते ही जाने वाला है. Ethics is one subject which is always going to be there with us. Why that is? Because ethics is something which is very practical, my friends. Ethics is something which is very very practical, and that is why it is going to be always there, my friend. So don't ever feel that ethics is something which is only bookish. Ethics is something which is you can say not of practical use, okay? So हम क्या सोचते हैं कि values are bookish, they are theoretical, but now I'll prove this wrong. How I am going to prove this wrong? I have written some examples here, okay? These are all my slides. I have you can say try to figure it out how I can convince that to you that ethics is important, how I can convince to you that values are important. Now usually when I take this lecture in the class, I say that हम जब क्लास में बैठते हैं, everybody would have you can say sat in college or in school. Usually the people who are sitting next to us are our friends and we choose them. Are you understanding this? What is the criteria? Please write in the chat box. What is the criteria you have chosen? You can say when you have sat in a class next to you, आपका जो person है, what is the criteria you have used? You must have used some criteria, yes or no? Those are usually your friends, yes or no? Yes, studious. So Jyoti is saying that she has used the criteria that you can say those who are sitting next to her, okay, they are studious. Anybody else more scholar than us? Okay, nature. Prachit is talking about nature. Karthik is saying that similarities in understanding. Bell is saying like-mindedness. Correct. So these are what? These are what? These are all. Ankita is saying same belief. Yes or no? Chetan is saying that likes. तो ये सब आप क्या बोल रहे हो? What is all these things? These are all the values which you are saying. तो जो दो लोग values genuine person, Sahil is saying genuine person. So you can say जो दो लोग कोई ना कोई values share कर रहे हैं दोस्तों, उसको आप अपने बाजू में बैठा रहे हो. Are you understanding this? So would you like to have a person in you can say real life with whom you don't you can say share the values? ऐसे कोई भी आदमी के साथ आप बैठोगे क्या in the real life where you will not share the values, right? So उसका मतलब क्या हो गया? You can say that values are very very important. Values are very very important. So here my question is, can you have friendship with a person without values? आप without values कौन से भी person से friendship रखोगे क्या? Yes or no? Please write everybody in the chat box. So इसका मतलब क्या है? In real life, knowingly or unknowingly, in real life, knowingly or unknowingly, you people are also giving importance. You people are also giving importance to what? You people are also giving importance to values. You agree? You don't agree? You agree or you don't agree? Yes, 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 exactly, yes. Okay, now you can say let us go ahead. Okay, now you can say when you go and buy a home, usually जो builder है आपका, okay, तो उसके ऊपर भी आपको trust होना चाहिए. Trust, how would that trust come? That trust would come on the basis of some values, yes or no? That trust would come on the basis of some values. If you don't have you can say those kind of values, those kind of trust, you will not buy the house from there, yes or no? Or then say for example, if you say that I want to buy milk, even milk, again you can say the trust factor would come there. Yes or no? The trust factor would come there. You agree, you don't agree? Yes or no? Yeah, absolutely. You agree, you don't agree to that? Yes, you have to agree to that. Yes, correct. Okay, so basically if you see, even joining a coaching, whether you join Nirav Das classes, okay, what was one single factor which you can say made you join these classes? What was that one single factor? Somewhere or other you would have, you can say, put trust on me. आपको लगा होगा कि नहीं, you can say this person is going to, you can say, not cheat us, and this person is going to, you can say, yeah. So basically nature and genuineness, exactly. So now do you agree, now that you can say values are very very important? Do you agree that values are very very important? Do you agree that values are not bookish? Yes, exactly. Okay, so this is the first step you have to understand always, that अगर आपको भरोसा नहीं है ये चीज पे, अगर आपको ये कन्विंस नहीं हो रहा है, then it is going to be very very, you can say, very very difficult for you. Okay, so yeah, okay, great. So now if you see, if you can say go ahead. So now I can also see the UPSC guide students. Zanat, I can also read your comments. Yeah, Tejal, if you have got a question, please type the question. Okay, Tejal, if you have got a question, please type a question. Or you want to, you want me to unmute you? Okay, Tejal, yes, ask. I have unmuted you. Okay. Okay. So Sai can is there. Yeah, Tejal, ask.
So my question is that my values can be different from the person who's
yeah, absolutely. So we are going towards that. My first you can say purpose was to make you understand that in, देखो हमारा एक general हमारे दिमाग में होता है कि we don't like values, and values, sir, all this ethics, values is all conceptual, this is all bookish, this is all theoretical, and in real life this does not work. So my first, you can say, this task was to make you understand that values are important and still they are relevant in today's life and age. So I hope that that is done. Now
yes,
we can go ahead. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now you can say, if we don't say that we don't have trust on me. So again, this is the importance of values. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि please don't have trust on me. Nobody would say this, right? So everybody would say that please, you can say, trust me and I am trustworthy. So always everybody focuses on trust. So again, values are there. Even brands, you can say Nirav Da, अगर आपने देखा होगा logo, okay, या फिर नाइकी का लोगो अगर आपने देखा होगा, एप्पल का लोगो देखा होगा. So from that you can say logo itself, what do we, you can say, represent? All this represents that knowingly or unknowingly this all has certain value. Okay, this all certain has value, and that is why we follow that. So now very important, therefore we follow values in day-to-day life. So the perception is that values are not important, but the reality is different, my friends. The reality is different. Okay, so this line is very very important. Now I take you to the larger context. Okay, society survives because of values. Why society is surviving? Now we are going to go into that thing, that why society is surviving. That is because of, you can say, values. Some societies, if you see, say Western societies, have got a lot of peace. Western societies, agar aap dekhoge, so they have got a lot of development. What is the prerequisite of development? A prerequisite of a development is there should be peace, there should be harmony. When there is peace and harmony, then the energies can be focused upon doing something constructive, doing something positive, doing something which is for the benefit of the all. When there is no peace, when there is conflict, then we are all, you can say, engaged into some or the destructive world. Puneet agrees to this. Zanat agrees to this. Yes or no? Yes. Pradnya, do you agree to this or not? Right? Okay. So yes, Jyoti also agrees. Right? Okay. Sushant also agrees. So society, when it has got more peace, okay, and harmony, it is because of the values. And society it has got chaos because of the conflictual values. कौन सा भी देखो आप conflict, मैं आपको अब भी का example देता हूँ. फ्रांस में what is the concept, what is the, you can say, conflict which is going on in the France? You have to write down this example, because if you write these examples in the, you can say, paper in the examination, then you can say, जो आप बोल रहे हो उसको वजन आएगा, उसको वजन आएगा. Otherwise it would not be. Yes, Charlie Hebdo, yes or no? France, what is happening? There is conflictual values. So France says we follow secularism, and in our secularism, are you understanding this? Our secularism is a Western secularism. There is complete separation of religion and the state, and people have got freedom. People have got freedom to do whatever they want to do, and in their freedom, even if they, you can say, criticize the prophet, it is okay. It is freedom of expression. We have got liberty. This is our Western values. Yes or no? But what are the Islamic values? That there is something which is very sacred. There is something which is non-touchable. There is something which we should not change. Sheel Mohan Kanchal, exactly. Okay, some things we should not change, and one of the things there is we should not ever, you can say, make fun of the, you can say, prophet. और religion के ऊपर कभी भी आपको, you can say, कोई भी चीज बताना नहीं है. You agree or you don't agree? You agree or you don't agree? Sheel, please write down whatever is your doubt. I'll try to solve your doubt. Okay, so you can say society, whenever it is in chaos, it is because of the conflictual values. Whenever the society is in chaos, it is because of the conflictual values. You also have to agree, you can say, that बहुत सारे problems है इंडिया में. Mob lynching देखो, it is because of the conflictual values. Are you understanding this? Yeah, that is why 1857 revolt also happened, right? Okay, so now let us go into what is the core of the values. जब भी values के ऊपर आएगा तो core क्या है? दो values. So human dignity and respect. Human dignity and respect. If the people respect human dignity, society would have less chaos and conflict. What happens is there is, you can say, intolerance. Okay, हम tolerance नहीं रखते हैं. We don't, you can say, tolerate the differences. And when we don't tolerate the differences, we don't respect, my friends, we don't respect the differences. Okay, हमको क्या लगता है? White skin is very good, black skin is not very good. White skin is superior, black skin is, you can say, inferior. We feel that Brahmins are superior. Are you understanding this? And Shudras are inferior. So what happens is, in that process, we are, you can say, not respecting the human dignity. Are you understanding? We are not respecting the human dignity. That is why the core of a society, if a society wants to be in peace, okay, then the core of that society is human dignity and respect. My friends now, अभी मैं आपको explanation देता हूँ. आपको देखो कैसे लगता है. You must be knowing that very few civilizations in the world have never got extinct. वो civilizations चलते रहे, इतने साल चलते रहे. Are you understanding? And what are the examples of those civilizations? Is India among those civilizations? Yes. Is India among those civilizations? Yes. Now you have to then understand, you have to, आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ है ये चीज कि Indian civilization for thousands of years it has continued, whereas other civilizations have not continued. There should be something in the DNA of Indian civilization that is making it continue. So these are the values like what? Tolerance. And you can see this tolerance value is depicted in so many, you can say, different aspects of our culture. Example, the best example is namaste. What do you mean by, you can say, namaste? What do you mean by, you can say, namaste? Okay, Sheel is saying also, sir, it is true that conflict of values occur because of lack of values. You can say that. Okay, so it could be said that France is having conflict of values. Absolutely, France is having conflict of values. That is what is the problem. Yeah, Rishi is also saying mob lynching is conflictual values. Exactly. Okay, so अभी Indian culture देखो. Indian culture क्या है? Tolerance. We have always tolerated differences. Yes or no? आपको तो वो story पता होगा, right? When you can say the world over, the Parsis, that is the people who were following Zoroastrian religion, those who were staying in, you can say, Iran, जो उस टाइम पे उसको पर्शिया बोला जाता था. So when they were persecuted, when they came to India, yes or no, the local king, what did the local king tell them? Yes, you are most welcome. You are most welcome. Are you understanding this? And the Parsis said that we would be just like sugar in your milk. we would be sugar in your milk. Yes or no? So we have that tolerance that everybody comes together and stays together and celebrates together. And one of the examples is namaste. What do we mean by namaste exactly? So namaste is the greatest sign of basically human dignity and respect. हम क्या बोलते हैं कि I bow to the divine in you. What does that mean? We consider that there is a soul in each and every human being, and if there is a soul in each and every human being, then that soul is the representation of God. Are you understand? That soul is the representation of God. So if I disrespect this, you can say, person who is sitting in front of me, I am disrespecting the creation of God. I am disrespecting the creation of God. And if I am disrespecting the creation of God, that means you can say this is, you can say, not good. That is why we have got namaste. That is, you can say, bow to the divine in you. That is why we give dignity and we give respect to everybody when we say namaste. Every human wants dignity, he wants respect. If the dignity is lost, okay, terrorist देखो ना, terrorist क्यों लोग टेररिस्ट बनते हैं? Why people, you can say, become terrorist? Okay, say for example revolutionary terrorists, right? आप देखो ना अपने, you can say, modern India आपका हो गया होगा, तो modern India में आप देखो, why you can say भगत सिंह, why did भगत सिंह kill Saunders? Yes, भगत सिंह ने क्यों मारा सॉन्डर्स को? Why did भगत सिंह kill Saunders? Yes, because Bhagat Singh felt that our dignity, our respect has been encroached. Why? You can say Saunders did lathi charge on Lala Lajpat Rai. Do you remember this? Yes or no? So somewhere they felt that they have been not treated properly. Somewhere they felt that our dignity is being compromised. And that is why you can say when the respect is lost, when the dignity is lost, are you understanding this? Okay, then you can say the society can go into chaos. Therefore, if society respects human dignity, and automatically then the people would start respecting. Yes, exactly. Naxalite was also the same problem, right? Naxalite का problem भी कहाँ से है? उसका core अगर आप problem देखोगे, origin of all the problem, that is in the value system. You can say somewhere we did not, you can say, respect them. We treated them as slaves. Are you understanding? Landless laborers, जमींदारी सिस्टम, ऑल दिस सिस्टम अगर आप देखोगे, तो मेरा भी बोलना क्या है, अभी जब भी आप आंसर लिखते हो तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा कि अगर सोसाइटी, यू कैन से, ह्यूमन डिग्निटी को, यू कैन से, रिस्पेक्ट करता है, देन ऑटोमेटिकली वी डोंट नीड टू ब्रिंग इन लॉज. You can say automatically we would be respecting all the castes, we would be respecting all the religion, we would be respecting color, we would be respecting gender, we would be respecting manual labor. Our problems regarding manual scavengers would be solved, our problems regarding refugees would be solved, our problems regarding mob lynching would be solved. Refugee crisis क्यों आया है? Values are not mandatory to be same for two people, it depends upon the perception. Is it? Zanat, yesterday I have told you, Zanat, क्या बोला मैंने, और मैं आज भी आपको ये पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. ओके, वैल्यूज, व्हाट आर वैल्यूज? यस, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज? प्लीज राइट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स. क्या है डेफिनेशन वैल्यूज का? यस, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज? वैल्यूज आर, यस, नोबडी, जल्दी से बताओ, व्हाट आर वैल्यूज? व्हाट आर वैल्यूज? या, दे आर द स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ ह्यूमन कंडक्ट. दे आर द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ ह्यूमन कंडक्ट, राइट? व्हेन वैल्यूज, जनत अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, व्हेन वैल्यूज आर एट द इंडिविजुअल लेवल, कल ही हमने बात किया, what do they become? When the values are at the individual level, what do they become? Yes, they become, yes, exactly, Ankita, very good, Vaishnavi, they become morals. Sai Umesh Nath, exactly correct. Puneet, correct, they become morals. But when values are at society level, what do they become? Yes, what do they become? Social norms. Very good, Sheel Mohan. Yes, Ankita, Bell, Sanket, very good, they become social norms, which can become customs, which can become traditions. Yes or no? And when values, we try to universalize the values. Yes or no? Universalize, when we try to, you can say, universalize the values, क्या बनेगा हमारा? या यहाँ से कल्चर बनेगा. बट हम जब यूनिवर्सलाइज करते हैं, yes, exactly, so those are ethics. But this universalization, my friends, this universalization depends upon, you can say, different, you can say, schools of thought. It depends upon different schools of thought. So some people, example, some people would give importance to means, but Gandhiji would say that means is equal to ends. That is, you can say, there should be right means, you can say, then only we can achieve the right ends. That is why he started satyagraha, that is non-violence, to achieve freedom. Freedom is the end. So some people say we can do violence to achieve the good. Are you understanding this? So हम अलग अलग स्कूल ऑफ थॉट सीखते हैं, और अलग अलग स्कूल ऑफ थॉट के हिसाब से एथिक्स क्या है उनके यूनिवर्सल वैल्यूज क्या है वो हम पढ़ेंगे इन दिस एंटायर मॉड्यूल. आर यू विथ मी? आर यू विथ मी? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? एवरीबडी इन द क्लास समझ रहा है क्या आपको? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Okay, very good, right? Okay, great. Okay, so basically if we go ahead, then automatically manual scavenger problem chala jayega, refugees problem chala jayega, mob lynching problem chala jayega. Therefore you can say a aspirant, a student who is going to appear for GS4, okay, they should not have negative perception of values. Okay, if they have negative perception of values, first of all that is untrue. Second of all, they don't then have the maturity to understand at the larger context. Third of all, marks में भी वो reflect होगा क्योंकि आपके जितने भी prejudices है, all the prejudices which you have, they are going to become completely naked in front of the examiner, because you have to understand UPSC is not a fool. In, you can say, 3 hours they are asking you to write 13 questions and 6 case studies. This is a very uphill task, so time is very, very low. And when the time is very, very low, at that time you cannot think and write. When you cannot think and write, that means what? UPSC is very intelligent. UPSC understands that you cannot manipulate. So that is why when you cannot think and write, so whatever is originality in you, that is going to be reflected, you can say, in your answer sheet. That is what you have to understand. The real would come out. That is what is going to, you can say, come out, and that is what is going to be reflected in your answer sheet. अब कितना भी हाइड करो वो हाइड नहीं होगा. इसके लिए ऐसे है, इसके लिए एथिक्स है, याद रखना. एंड ऐसे और एथिक्स, इसके लिए डिफरेंशिएटर्स होते हैं. कल मैंने आपको गोल्डन ट्रायंगल इसके लिए बताया था कि ऐसे एथिक्स, ये जो है यहाँ पे ओरिजिनलिटी बाहर आने वाली है. And if you can say have not got properly originality, then you are going to, you can say, be a major sufferer. Any society, if it wants to progress, should be strong in values, should be strong in values. That is why, my friends, देखो और एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, एकदम ऐसे एग्जांपल्स आपके, you can say, इसमें आ जाने चाहिए. That is why we have got, or we are giving importance in the new education policy, right? In the new education policy जो आया है, we are going to give importance to value based education. Yes or no? We are going to give importance to value based education. क्यों importance आया है? क्योंकि values ही determine कर रहे हैं society का क्या होगा, future रहेगा या ना रहेगा. इसके लिए you can say, आपको पता है ना, हमेशा ऐसा बोला जाता है, it is always said that, you can say, a society or a country or a nation is not, you can say, destroyed by outsiders, but it is destroyed by, you can say, the insiders. It is insiders. Okay, so ethics is all about the conduct and character of, you can say, humans. What do you mean by conduct? We are going to see tomorrow. So it is action. Your action is your conduct, how you behave, right? So we are going to see what is the difference tomorrow between self, you can say, self conduct, then you can say self conduct, self character आएगा, फिर character से conduct आएगा, और conduct में से, you can say, behavior आएगा. Okay, so conduct and character and conduct of a human being. Okay, so character is all about your values. Okay, this is determined by ethics. Ethics is all about conduct and character of humans. So humans, ethics क्या determine करता है? Character and conduct of humans. Okay, there are differences in values, and this differences in values are usually, so जो universal level पे values होते हैं ना, okay, उसमें भी differences है. So ethics is not something like maths. You will never have something which is, you can say, sure shot in ethics. ऐसा कोई sure चीज नहीं है ethics में. Values भी evolve होते जाएंगे, ethics भी evolve होते जाएगा, as and when, you can say, the new schools of thought would come. So you can say there are differences in values. Some people would say that some things are good, some things are bad. Like, you can say, I can give you example. Having, you can say, very high IQ. Okay, having very high IQ, क्या होता है? इसके लिए टेस्ट होता है, right? There is this test, okay, IQ test. उसमें क्या होता है? Individuals have to solve, okay, in a given time bound manner. तो आपको time दिया होता है, say for example 1 hour. In that you have to solve the, you can say, whatever the problems are there, and those who solve the maximum, they might be considered to have high IQ. Okay, so this is the value system. of Western world. How this is the value system of Western world, I'm going to discuss it future. But अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Individual में, Western world में individualism is important. Do you agree to this or not? Yes. Do you agree to this or not? Yes. Sheel, I'm going to give you the, you can say, slides. उसके आगे जो भी मैं examples बता रहा हूँ. Okay. So all those things, if you want to write, you can say write down. Okay. So individuals, right? So individualism important है Western world में. Okay. Western world में क्या important है? You can say time bound manner होना चाहिए. Importance is given to the time. Due to industrial revolution, time has become a very important parameter. Everything should be quick. आप देखो फास्ट फूड को इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है. Nobody wants to waste time. Yes or no? Okay. Now this IQ test, I teach this in sociology. That is what I'm telling you. When it was given to the tribal children, initially it was thought. अभी किसने कर दिया ये? Okay, just a moment. Initially it was thought that these tribal students do not have high IQ because they took too much time to solve this. Okay, and they were not solving it individually. But then when it was seen, you can say very closely, when this was seen, then it was observed that in tribal culture, people like to work in team. Yes, they like to work collectively. They like to work in team. Are you understanding this? So team based hota hai, they like to work, and they don't give importance to time. They give importance to the quality of the solution. So they want to get to the best solution. Are you understanding this? So see how the values are changing. Would you say that tribal people are not intelligent? Yes. Would you say today that tribal people are not intelligent? Yes. No, their values are different. Have you understood this? Okay. Have you understood this? So that is why, अगर हम देखें, just a moment. So that is why when we say, you can say different values are there due to different ethical standards. So for West, what was the ethical standard? Individualism. For West, what was ethical standard? Time is important. Time is money. Time is money बोला जाता है ना वहाँ पे. Time is money, right? And for tribals, collectivism was the, you can say, a value. You can say quality of solution was a value. Okay, so this is how you have to understand. Ethics क्या करता है? It aims to build strong, just society by enhancing the human behavior, right? So अगर right values आपने, you can say, decide कर दिए as a society, if you decide the right values, right, then automatically your, you can say, human character is going to be very good. And if the human character is excellent, then automatically that is going to be translated into human behavior, and automatically the society would be, you can say, very nice. अभी देखो example, इंडिया में corruption, जब हम corruption chapter, you can say, discuss करेंगे, how do you see corruption in India? Yes, how do you see corruption in India? Corruption को कैसे देखते हो आप इंडिया में? Yes, how do you see corruption in India? Yes, it is a, usually it is seen as a, you can say, norm. चलता है, attitude है. Yes or no? खिला दो इसको. Yeah, it is a social evil. It is a, you can say, normal. Yes or no? So if now, you can say, this can be easily depicted. Say for example, traffic police catches you. Right? क्या करोगे आप? Traffic police catches you. Would you go in for the challan, or would you try to bribe him 50-100 rupees? Yes, 100 rupees bribe. Shil Mohan Kanchal is saying 100 rupees bribe. Yes or no? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 100 rupees bribe दे देंगे. Yes, more easy way. So this is the culture. Are you understanding this? This is the culture, and these are the values which we have, and that is why the society has got problems. That you can say we see corruption as a normal. So now see this, origin of all the problems in the society is from human behavior, and human behavior का origin कहाँ से आएगा? Human character, and human character का origin कहाँ से आएगा? From the values. So if you can control the origin, you can solve the problems. from the roots and not only symptoms. हम क्या try कर रहे हैं solve करने को? Symptoms. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Lokpal, we would be doing, you can say Lokpal, we would be doing, you can say different things, right? CAG hai, court hai, these are all, we are just trying to solve the symptoms. But if you want to solve the problem in real, then how we have to solve the problem in real is we have to go to the roots and solve this problem. Do you agree to this or not? Please write in the chat box. Okay, so as laws are not always to deal with the original of the problem. Okay, see what happens. Laws ka problem kya hai? What is the problem with laws? Can you can say have laws? Can you have laws for each and every situation? Can you have laws for each and every situation? Yes or no? No. Correct. Very good. So therefore, in the end, yes or no? Therefore, in the end, how is, you can say, it going to be, matlab, how can you control the behavior of a person? How can you control, you can say, a person from being non-corrupt? कैसे कर सकते हो आप? How can you do that? Yes, how can you do that? How can you do that? Exactly. Good value system. Very good, Jyoti. Sushan, very good. Yes, improving values. Exactly. So that is the problem. That laws would never be the ultimate solution. Ultimate solution has to be through the values. And that is why India is behind, my friends. Remember this. मैं आपको आज end of the class में example दूंगा, आप हिल जाओगे. Okay. Therefore, whenever you write ethics paper, whenever I check ethics paper, अभी मैं ethics paper check कर रहा हूँ because हमारे mains के बहुत सारे students हैं ना, so I am evaluating that ethics paper. What do I find in the ethics paper? That they always, you can say, write the legal answers. Are you understanding? What do they write? कि RTI implement करो. वो क्या लिखते हैं? E-governance लेके आओ. वो क्या लिखते हैं? Social audit करो. But this is all, you can say, legal answers. That is why this part has already been covered. Governance part has already been covered in GS2. Are you understanding? I'm not saying that you don't have to write this. I'm not saying that you don't have to write this. But what is the point is you have to write this, but what should be your emphasis upon? Your emphasis upon should be upon values. Your emphasis should be upon ethics. Your answer should be ethical. Your answer is ethical. Then you are going to get marks, which students don't realize. And that is why they don't get good marks. Have you understood this? Yes, have you understood this? Now, let me, you can say, discuss a case study with you. अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ा values का background create किया है. मैं, you can say, थोड़ा आपको एक, you can say, case study पूछता हूँ. देखो इंडिया में problem क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ये case study से मैं करता हूँ. See what was happening yesterday, or you can say some 1 or 2 days back. I was watching some news channel. I don't watch usually news channel, but घर पे सब guest आए थे, news channel चल रहा था, तो मैं I was just passing and I was hearing what was happening, because I don't, you can say, watch TV now. So you can say what was happening is, you can say, the opposition leader was there, or opposition leader was saying something about the farmers protest. Okay, and now you can say the internet के ऊपर, on Twitter, internet, and also on that, you can say, news जो debate चल रहा था, तो उनके ऊपर trolling चालू हो गया. Trolling, he was, you can say, now continuously trolled on Twitter, on social media, okay, using different memes and all those things. And what was the, you can say, the main issue of the troll? Why are you criticizing the government now when, you can say, you were in power, you never talked about, or you did not participate in the farmers issue? Now why are you criticizing now? Why are you participating now? You don't have, you can say, the any rights to talk about the farmers issue. What do you feel about this? Is it true or false? What is the problem in this? Chalo, everybody think for 30 seconds, 1 minute. Actually यार ethics का session है ना, classroom session को मैं change ही नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि classroom session में मैं क्या करता हूँ ऐसे time पे, immediately I make people stand, right? And immediately I get a feedback from them. Okay, so एक opposition leader है, because he was, you can say, supporting the farm movement जो चल रहा है अभी, right? Farmers जो ये कर रहे हैं, तो उसको support कर रहा था. So उसके ऊपर trolls बनने चालू हो गए, memes बनने चालू हो गए, and saying that, you can say, we do not support this. Troll क्यों आए? Because when you were in power, you never talked about the farmers issue, you never supported the farmers issue. Now why are you can say doing that? Yes, so what is the problem? Siley says, rather than criticizing the work on the problem. Okay, okay. False, as is currently his opposition, so he is accountable to oppose wrongdoing of the center. Okay, fair enough. Sheil, what is the wrong thing in this? It is important to criticize, okay, when necessary. What is the wrong thing? When you are trolling, is this wrong or right? If this is wrong, why this is wrong? Why this is wrong? Handling the situation in negative manner, okay. Action is not matching, okay. It is duty of opposition to criticize, okay. Everyone has right to express. Very good, Tejal Gatke, very good, brilliant. Okay. Okay. So now let us see. Now that you can say thought on this Article 19, okay, fundamental right, okay, okay. Now let us see this. Let us see this. Okay. So now when we see this, what do we find? Whatever he is speaking, we should focus on that, not on the past. As a society, what should be our values? Our society should be rational. Our society should be rational, and see whether he is speaking, whatever he is speaking is rational, whether it is logical or whether it is correct. Are you understanding this? हम क्या करते हैं आज कोई भी debate हुआ, okay, just notice this, just you can say whether it is true or wrong. Okay, rational मतलब क्या है? Whether there is a reason to this, whether he is speaking logical, okay, whether he is speaking logical, whether he is speaking correct, उसके ऊपर focus होना चाहिए, not on the person who is speaking. हम क्या करते हैं, if somebody is speaking, अरे ये तो कांग्रेस वाला है, इसके लिए ये ऐसा बोल रहा है, अरे ये तो बीजेपी वाला है, इसके लिए हम ये कर देते हैं. We are coloring people. अरे ये तो ये कास्ट का है, that is why he is speaking like this. अरे he is a black, that is why he is a thief. Are you understanding? So we are coloring all the people. We are having prejudices. Are you understanding? We are having perceptions. Yes. So this is what is happening. This is what is happening. So we are not hearing. We are not hearing what you can say. What you can say is the person who is speaking is true, false. Okay. उसका rational है नहीं है. हम ये नहीं करते हैं. Okay. हम सिर्फ busy है लोगों को color देने में. We are just you can say busy giving people different color. You agree or you don't agree? You agree or you don't agree? And that is the worst thing to be happening to the society. Why? Because when that happens in the society, we cannot have rational debate in the society. If we don't have rational debate in the society, then our society cannot progress. Then our society cannot progress. Are you understanding this? Then our society cannot progress. Ab dekho, if there is anti-government anything, okay, तो bugs attack कर देंगे. Are you understanding this? There would be attacks by the bugs. Yes or no? ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है सोसाइटी में? हाँ या ना? Yes. So Zanat has said the right thing, that we have already made a conclusion before listening. Yes, that is why our society is not progressing. अगर हमारा rational debates होने लगे, okay, तो we should not fight. ओके देर अगर हमारे वैल्यूज सोसाइटी में राइट होंगे ना, ये याद रखो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट बता रहा हूँ. अगर हमारी सोसाइटी में राइट वैल्यूज होंगे ना, तो देयर वुड नॉट बी फाइट्स, देयर वुड ऑलवेज बी डिस्कशन एंड डिबेट्स. एंड दैट वाज द इंडियन वे. दैट वाज द इंडियन वे. डू यू रिमेंबर व्हेन आई हैव टॉट यू इन यू कैन से मिडिवल शंकराचार्य? शील प्लीज राइट योर डाउट. व्हेन आई टॉट यू शंकराचार्य, राइट, सो क्या होता था? डायलेक्टिकल मेथड होता था ना शंकराचार्य. व्हाई देयर आर 4 मठ्स in India of Shankaracharya? South में है, West में है, East में है and North में है. Because he went to each places, he had discussions with the local people, and in the discussions and debates, okay, तो क्या हुआ? तो you can say when the discussion and debates when it happened, then you can say the others, they were defeated and they accepted the you can say superiority of the thought of Shankaracharya. So rational discussion and debates are very important for the society. Then only the society would progress. Otherwise हमारा society क्या हो जाएगा? Stagnant हो जाएगा. And if the society becomes stagnant as it became in the medieval period, that is why we became enslaved. we became colonialized state. Do you agree to this? Yes or no? Yes or no? शील again copy paste करो, मेरे को मैंने पढ़ा नहीं आपका क्या doubt है बेटा. Okay, so that is what that is there. So rational debate is needed in a society. Law, religion also. देखो अभी values आप बोल रहे हो कि कंट्रोल करते हैं ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को, वैल्यूज कंट्रोल करते हैं कैरेक्टर को, वैसे लॉ भी कंट्रोल करता है ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को, रिलीजन भी कंट्रोल करता है ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को. So they maintain the human behavior and they also enhance the quality of the human behavior. Okay, so therefore if you want to change the society, we have to change it through the human conduct. So therefore in ethics paper we just don't have to focus on RTI, e-governance, citizen charter, JAM. Okay, this is all governance part, but these perceptions are because of their personality, like story of बेदिया. It is okay ना शील. देखो आपको एक यू कैन से परसेप्शन हुआ रहेगा कि नीरव सर इकोनॉमिक्स जो है वो बहुत बोर पढ़ाते हैं, इसके लिए एथिक्स भी बोर पढ़ाएंगे. बट दैट माइट नॉट बी ट्रू. That might not be true. Yes or no? I don't teach anything bore. Are you understanding this? Okay. So, but that might not be true. You should be giving me at least a chance and attending my lecture of ethics. Yes or no? And then you decide. Then you decide whether I am not good or I am good. Are you understand? Just because opposition is saying, just because you can say Rahul Gandhi is saying something, that does not mean that you can say कुछ ना कुछ इसमें गड़बड़ी है. ओके, आप सुन के लो. on basis of rationality, then you decide. Yes or no? समझा नहीं समझा? You agree, don't agree? Yes? Okay, fair enough. So why the thinkers, philosophers, leaders, why they are great? ये ग्रेट क्यों है? थिंकर्स, फिलोसोफर्स, ये सारे जो लोग हैं क्यों ग्रेट है? ओके, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेट नॉलेज. यस, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन पॉइंट, बट यू कैन से दे आर ग्रेट बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. एंड हाउ डज द कैरेक्टर गेट्स डिफाइंड? थ्रू द वैल्यू सिस्टम. Through the value system they become great. Example, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Why Gandhi ji? See, when you can say Times magazine had to, you can say, decide who is going to be the person of the century, who is going to be the person of century. Which century I'm talking about? The 20th century, the century where you had got the greatest of great people. Like you had got, you can say, Einstein, you had got, you can say, great persons. Stalin, you have got, say for example, you have got Stalin, or you have got, say for example, Roosevelt. You have got, you can say, great scientists. So many people are there, but then this award was given to Gandhi ji. Why? Because of the character, because of the integrity. Why? Because of, you can say, my message is my life. Yes, absolutely. Zanat, we have had so many presidents. Why would you remember APJ Abdul Kalam? क्यों आप APJ Abdul Kalam को best president मानते हो? Why do you can say consider him as the best president? Yes, character, the values of the person. Yes or no? Yes, exactly. Okay, तो great लोग जो होते हैं वो great क्यों बनते हैं? Knowledge तो बहुत लोगों के पास होता है. Are you understanding this? But ये जो character है, जो values है, वो बहुत ही कम लोगों के पास होता है. Are you understanding this? And one of these values is trust. Yes or no? Honesty, integrity, probity, whatever that is, right? You can quote so many. मेरे पास इतने सारे examples, आप कुछ भी quote कर सकते हो. You know, when Gandhi ji, you can say, started the freedom struggle, so much was the trust on him. आजकल जो आप बोलते हो ना, social capital मतलब क्या है? What is social capital? We are going to discuss this also. Social capital मतलब जो people है, they should have trust on the, you can say, person who are governing us. Okay, जो हमको rule करते हैं, उनका और people का trust कितना है? अगर trust अच्छा है तो उसको बोलते हैं social capital. तो गांधी जी का social capital इतना high था कि when he started freedom struggle and when he started a movement that people should, you can say, donate for the freedom struggle, there was so high confidence in, you can say, Gandhi ji and his freedom, you can say, struggle, that not a single penny would be misused. Women used to come and they used to donate their, you can say, directly jewelries. Now you have to understand, in Indian society, women are most exploited. You have to understand, in Indian society, women have got only one thing, that is they have got jewelry. And when a woman is ready to donate the jewelry for the freedom struggle, that means what? Yeah, you can say exactly देश वाहिनी 1 करोड़ तिलक फंड कैसे वो खड़ा हो गया? जब you can say लोगों को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस था ना, वैल्यूज थे उनके पास, राइट? So that is what you have to earn. Now let us go ahead and see values. In general, they are the standards of conduct which guide the human behavior. So this is the definition of, you can say, values. These standards of conduct may differ from person to person, society to society, but then there also has to be some values which are to be considered universal, and this is what is the, you can say, the entire purpose of ethics. कि values change होंगे, person to person change होंगे, society to society they would be changing, but there should be some values which have to be considered as universal. Are you understanding this? Therefore, you can say values can be relative, that is they can be changing from society to society, person to person, as well as values can also be absolute. Are you understanding this? Values can also be absolute. Do you agree to this or not? Yes or no? Do you agree to this? Yes or no? Everybody in the class, hi Anna. Yes, everybody in the class. Okay, great. Okay, now let us see what are this, you can say, relative values. So relative values, they are based on individual or societal standards. Okay, so जो सोसाइटी के इंडिविजुअल के लाइक्स है, डिसलाइक्स है, तो वो क्या बन जाते हैं? सोशल नॉर्म्स बन जाते हैं, ट्रेडिशंस बन जाते हैं. हमने ये ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है, राइट? Okay, so everybody knows this basic things, right? Now what are the common Indian values? ये सारे relative होंगे, ये western values से अलग होंगे, right? So what are the Indian values? Hospitality. We always say that अतिथि देवो भव. Yes or no? Now इसका example क्या है? I'll give you the greatest example. Is somebody from a, you can say, rural area, extremely rural area? Is anybody there? Please write in the chat box. कोई आया है कि एकदम rural area में से? I would like to ask something to them. Yes, anybody from the extremely rural area? Who is there? Okay, Sanket Raipur is there. Okay, Rupali Thorat is there. Okay, I want extreme rural area, right? Not, you can say, semi rural area, semi urban area नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Okay, so Sanket, or even you can say Rishi, tell me one thing. Do you have hotels? Do you have hotels in your, you can say, place? Where do you stay? Do you have hotels? So Rishi says no. Lakshman says no. Why we did not have hotel culture? ये hotel culture क्यों नहीं था हमारे पास? Right? Just imagine 10 to 15 years back. 10 to 15 years back. So many of your relatives, दूर दूर के relative, आपको पहचानते भी नहीं थे. Okay, they would come and stay at your place for 2-3 days very easily. आपको याद है नहीं है? आपको याद है नहीं है? Yes. Today is this the culture? Today is this the culture? Do the relatives come to your place and they stay? आज relatives आते हैं क्या आपके घर पे? आज रहते हैं क्या? Yes, Rishi, you are staying in the rural areas, but in urban areas hardly there would be, you can say, relatives who would be coming and you can say they would be staying. Sanket, again you are, you can say, there. See, hotels क्यों नहीं है rural area में? आज भी rural area, yes or no? आज भी rural area में क्या है? Indian values are still there, traditions are still followed. Are you understanding? Even if they come for few hours, yes, Jyotish has hit the nail on the head. आज क्या लगता है हमको कि even if they have come for a 1 or 2 areas, we feel like burden कि यार इनके लिए खाना बनाना पड़ेगा, अरे ये आ गए, डिस्टर्ब हो गया. Are you understanding this? In rural areas still the values are there. I was yesterday seeing a video. There is a video. आप एक TED talk. Yes, आज you can say, अभी आज दिवाली में देखो, दिवाली में, in this Diwali, I am not saying because of COVID, last दिवाली देख लो, every year the people who are coming to your place in Diwali, they are reducing. You agree, you don't agree? Values are changing. Are you understanding? Yes or no? अभी देखो, I was yesterday seeing a TED talk. In that TED talk, you can say there was one person who was telling about Taj Hotel. अगर आपने देखा होगा, this is a very famous TED talk. Why in Taj Hotel, जो भी वहां पे काम कर रहे थे, even the waiters, okay, those who were working there, the people who were there at reception, they did not run away when the Taj Hotel was completely, you can say, captured by the terrorists. They did not run away. They had the know-how. They knew all the, you can say, places from where, all routes from where they can run away. They did not run away. And a case study was done. Again, the bad thing about India is this case study was not studied by some Indians, but this case study was studied by a professor who is from Harvard, and he came to a conclusion that, you can say, 2-3 conclusions he came. First conclusion क्या था उसका? That you can say first conclusion क्या था? Yes, that Tata as a group always you can say said to the workers that you are ambassadors of not the Tata company. अगर मेरे लिए कोई काम करता है तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ you are my ambassador. टाटा ने ये नहीं बोला. टाटा ने बोला you should be the ambassadors of your guest. You should you can say have the अतिथि देवो भव, और आपने आपके गेस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करना है होटल को, और होटल को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करना है. सेकंड थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माय फ्रेंड्स, दे डिड नॉट रिक्रूट द पीपल, they did not recruit the people who were toppers. They went to the you can say the colleges, they went to the schools and they asked the teachers that who are the people who have values, who are the people who respect the elders, who are the people who take responsibility, we are going to hire them. Third is very important, they did not hire from Pune, they did not hire from Mumbai, they did not hire from Delhi, they hired from towns, small towns, they hired from the villages, because there they found that the true traditions, the true cultures, the roots are still alive. Are still alive. Are you understanding this? So Tata, are you understanding this? Understands the values. Understands the values. And that is why those people, you can see that TED talk today. Okay. You can see the TED talk today. आज लेक्चर होने के बाद आप TED talk देखो, और वो TED talk में what would you find is, नहीं बता रहे किधर है, बाहर क्या देखो, ये लेके जाइए. In that TED talk, what you will find is, you can say, you will find that you can say this, all the people, they never ran away, they had all the opportunities, they never ran away, they went this, they were there with the guests, they were helping the guests to you can say come out, you can say out of that hotel completely safe. Okay, so you can find this TED talk, you can find this TED talk, okay, and watch that. There you will understand the importance of Atithi Devo Bhava. There you will understand the importance of sacrifice, that I can sacrifice my life. Okay, there you will understand the importance of taking responsibility. There you will understand the Indian value of having duty. It is my duty. Okay, collectivism क्या था? Joint family था. Joint family हमारा, तो हम हमारे family को importance देते थे, collective community को ज़्यादा importance देते थे. Are you understanding this? So community came before self. Do you agree to this or not? These were the Indian values. These were the Indian values. We were peace loving. Yes or no? Tolerance. This is the value. Yes or no? Tolerance is the value, right? And because of this tolerance value, what has happened? What has happened? Because of this tolerance value, what has happened? That we can appreciate each other's culture. We can live together. That is why we have got universal brotherhood. That is why we have got universal brotherhood. But in this Western values, my friend, what has happened? Liberal, you can say liberty aa gaya hai. Individual has come. Are you understanding this? I before the society. I before the society, right? Utilitarian value has come. I would do only if this benefits me. I would take this action only if it benefits me. Otherwise, I am not going to do this. And इसमें क्या दिखता है हमको? Pleasure seeking. You are not ready to make sacrifices. Earlier, people used to make sacrifices for the family. Yes or no? देखो, जब आप देखते हो 3 Idiots. Okay, when you see 3 Idiots, okay, one, what do you find? What do you find? That you find very, very wrong, right? कि बाबा वो इसको एक जन को फोटोग्राफर बनना था, and he has become engineer. Are you understanding this? But do you remember your father's generation or your grandfather's generation? They did not have choice, my friends. They have to directly join the family business. They had to join directly the family business. Are you understanding this? And many of them at that time would also had aspirations. Yes, they also had aspirations. Yes or no? But they compromised those aspirations. They sacrificed those aspirations. Why? For the family benefit. For the family benefit. But today, because of the individualism, we have got 3 Idiots, and we find this 3 Idiots jo kuch value. I'm not saying what is correct, what is wrong. I'm just pointing you the differences in the values. Now, because we are all individualism हमारे पास सब में मौजूद है, इसके लिए हमको जो 3 Idiots का वो जो वैल्यू आज हमको बताया हुआ है कि जो आपके दिल की करे वो सुनो, आपका पैशन फॉलो करो. Are you understanding this? Now you find this correct. This is the, you can say, change in the value system. Are you understanding this? Do you agree to this or not? Absolutely, Harshavardhan, you have to write the movie examples. आपको लिखने हैं, आपको लिखने हैं. Okay, in, you can say, earlier life, absolutely correct. Sheel, your parents have done so much sacrifice for you all. Do you agree to this or not? Yes. Do you agree to this or not? Your parents have done so much sacrifices for each one of you or not. Now you tell me honestly, will you sacrifice for your kid so much as much your parents have sacrificed for you? Will you sacrifice? Be honest, be honest. आप इतना sacrifice करोगे क्या? आप इतना sacrifice करोगे क्या? Yes, yes. So that is the change, that is the change, right? Everybody, we cannot sacrifice because today we are pleasure seeking, because we are individualistic. We don't want sacrifice, we just want enjoy, we just want enjoy. Okay, so that is what we have to understand. Everybody agrees to this or not? If anybody has any objections, yes, if anybody has any objections they can raise. Anybody has any objections? सबको पट रहा है क्या? देखो मैंने स्टार्ट किधर से किया था, डू यू बिलीव इन वैल्यूज, एंड 90% से ऊपर said no. This is a theoretical concept, this is a bookish concept. Now I hope after this lecture you would be more aware about what is happening or not happening. Okay, now you can say let us go ahead. What are the universal values? So हमने relative values देखे. These were the relative values because these are common to the Indian society, these are common to the, you can say, Western society. Are you understanding this? Okay, so relative values, yes, absolutely, Anju. Relative values are some values which might change according to the time, they might change according to the space. Space मतलब क्या है? इंडिया में आओगे तो अलग वैल्यूज होंगे, यूएस में जाओगे तो अलग वैल्यूज होंगे. टाइम में, मिडिवल पीरियड में स्लेवरी was a value which was considered okay. Now slavery is, you can say, banned. Caste system is now, you can say, untouchability is banned. Are you understanding this? Okay, yes or no? Okay, now let us see what are the universal values. Let us see what are the universal values. Are you writing this, all this down? Are you writing down the examples? आप लिख रहे हो क्या? आपको कैसा चाहिए? ये slides through चाहिए and you will write down the extra material, or you want to write down all the things, or you want to write all the things? Complete dictation चाहिए आपको? Yeah, slides is better, right? Okay, this way. Okay, ठीक. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. So now universal values. Truth is a universal value. Western society or Indian society, truth would always be, you can say, respected. Honesty is a, you can say, value which is respected. Human dignity is a value which is respected. Yes or no? Then you have got peace, which is a value which is completely respected everywhere. Fairness, justice. Yes or no? Justice होना चाहिए. Justice होना चाहिए. बहुत सारे हम एग्जांपल देखेंगे. Justice क्या है वो देखेंगे. Rawls कंसेप्ट देखेंगे हम. और justice क्या है वो देखेंगे. Fairness क्या है वो देखेंगे. अगर देखो, कभी कभी देखो what happens. Okay, say for example, any case I can think of, any case you can say I can think of where you feel that justice is not done. Yes, आप कभी सोच सकते हो क्या justice is not done? Any you can say case you can think of where you can say justice is not done. Justice is not done. कौन सा ऐसा case है क्या around, you can say, in your daily life? Yes, any case is there? Exactly, very good, very good. Yes, so whenever the justice is delayed, okay, for example, murder का case है, and after you can say 20 years, if, or you can say murder plus rape का case है, right? Okay, then you said that, you can say, after 20 years if the person is hanged, do you feel that the justice has been done? Do you feel that the justice has been done? Yes, अगर rape किया है किसी ने और murder किया है किसी को, yes, do you feel that the justice has been done? So justice का क्या concept है, ये भी हम discuss करेंगे under ethics. बहुत मजा आएगा. Okay, gratitude is you should always be thankful. Yes or no? You should always be thankful. अरे सबसे बड़ा चीज है ये चीज, gratitude. And ये Indians में बहुत lacking में देखता हूँ. भगवान ने आपको ब्रेन दिया हुआ है, भगवान ने आपको 2 हाथ दिए हुए हैं, 2 पैर दिए हुए हैं, भगवान ने आपको इंसान का जन्म दिया हुआ है. Why you can say, आप क्यों हाथ फैला रहे हो? आप क्यों हाथ फैला रहे हो? Are you understanding? Why are you crying? Why you are having that loser's attitude? Are you understanding this? Okay, so I'll give you my example. So now you can say some government, you can say agency, did some injustice on us, and because of that we had got, you can say, huge monetary loss. We had huge monetary loss now, okay, in this week. So I felt bad that, you can say, no, you can say, mistake of ours, and we are losing so much money. Okay, but then I felt, you can say, gratitude that at least God has given us the opportunity that I am today teaching ethics to more than 100 students who are watching me live. Are you understanding this? Is monetary only my purpose of teaching? Is monetary only my purpose? Yes, That is a major purpose because I want a good quality standard of life, but that is not the primary purpose. My primary purpose is I want to make good civil servants, at least 100 IS, IPS and IFS officers. Are you understanding this? If 100 IS, IPS officers and IFS officers they are there, we have got 700 districts. 700 districts में से अगर 100 districts में हमारे officers है, तो you can say a lot of lives are going to be changed. Lot of lives are going to be changed. We are going to make a big impact. We are going to make a big impact. Automatically, I became positive. Are you understanding this? So you always have to have gratitude that God has given you great. God has given you so much opportunities, and you have to make most out of this opportunity. Then you have got tolerance. You have also got tolerance, forgiveness. Again, very important thing. Again, very important thing. We are going to discuss who can forgive. Forgive कौन कर सकता है? जिसके पास courage है. Forgive कौन कर सकता है? जो brave है. Forgive कौन कर सकता है? Strong one can forgive. जिसके पास confidence है. अगर मुझको मेरे ऊपर confidence है and you have done some mistake, okay, you have insulted me, okay, if say for example you have insulted me, when can I completely forgive you? If I am, you can say, self-assured, if I am self-assured, if I am confident about my abilities, if you say that Nirav sir cannot teach ethics, okay, if I really am doubtful about my teaching capabilities, then I would be, you can say, very very angry on you. Yes or no? Yes or no? But if I am, you can say, very very confident about my capabilities, right, if I am, you can say, having that strong belief in myself, then I would say it's okay. वो गुस्सा हो गया रहेगा, उसने बोल दिया रहेगा, no problem. We'll just laugh, we'll just have a smile, let's carry on. Do you agree to this or not? Yes or no? Yes. And fairness is what? Fairness is absence of discrimination. Fairness is what? Absence of discrimination. Therefore you can say ये जो है universal values होंगे थोड़े थोड़े, जैसे मैंने आपको examples दिए हुए हैं. Okay, तो आपको question आ सकता है. Okay, tomorrow before the class, 15 minutes before the class, I'm going to write a question because now we have completed values. Okay, मैं आपको एक या दो क्वेश्चन दूंगा और वो क्वेश्चन आप सबको टेलीग्राम का जो हमारा ग्रुप है वहां पे बिफोर द लेक्चर स्टार्ट्स you have to write and you have to submit, you have to scan and you have to submit. Okay, एक दो क्वेश्चंस every day I would discuss. Okay, तो आपको देखो भैया एथिक्स में प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करो आंसर राइटिंग का. ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये सारा यू कैन से क्या है, these are all concepts which I am, you can say, clarifying. But if you can't write, भैया कोई काम नहीं है, फिर एथिक्स आपको कितना भी पढ़ा लो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनेगा. Okay, so these are the universal values. They are absolute. Why they are absolute? Because they are beyond the time, space and place. मतलब time and space ही, place और space same ही चीज है. Okay, example, truth. Truth हम बोलते हैं ना, truth alone triumphs. सत्यमेव जयते. Right? राजा हरिश्चंद्र. आज भी हम, everybody knows राजा हरिश्चंद्र. Yes or no? Anybody who does not know Raja Harishchandra, please write in the chat box. Anybody who does not know Raja Harishchandra? Yes? Why you know everybody? Why all of you know Raja Harishchandra? Why? Because he has stood for truth, honesty. Yes or no? And then we have got the famous, you can say, Ramayana saying, right? Raghukul Reet Sada Chali Aayi, Pran Jaye Par Vachan Na Jaye. This is the, you can say, Indian culture. This is the importance of truth. कि रघुकुल के टाइम से, राम के टाइम से जो ट्रुथ को इंपॉर्टेंस दिया हुआ है, आज भी ट्रुथ को उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं. महात्मा गांधी ने भी ट्रुथ को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस दिया था. इसके लिए ये जो है ये यूनिवर्सल वैल्यू है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनिवर्सल वैल्यूज एंड रिलेटिव वैल्यूज? एवरीबडी इन द क्लास प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स सो दैट आई नो दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. यस और नो? Okay, very good. Now we go ahead. Values हमने क्या देखा? Values क्या है देखा? Values के dimensions देखे. We saw universal values, we saw relative values. In relative values we saw Indian values. We saw Indian values के कौन से देखे? Western values देखे हमने, right? Okay. And then we also saw universal values example. Now we can see that values can be strong or weak and weak. So weak values क्या है? Strong values क्या है? Okay, so strong values ऐसे values है which are fundamental values. हम बोलते हैं ना कट्टर, हम बोलते हैं ना he is a bigot. Okay, कट्टर, you must have heard this, you can say the word, yes or no, that he is कट्टर or he is, you can say, a complete vegetarian. He would not, you can say, make any compromises on vegetarian. Are you understanding this? Yes or no? Yeah, so strong values are which cannot be altered under any circumstances. They become, ये क्या बन जाते हैं लोगों के, पहले तो beliefs बन जाते हैं, and when they start practicing their beliefs, they become their principles of life. Do you agree or not? They become the principles of their life. The strong values become the principles of their life. They don't compromise on those principles. They don't compromise on those principles. They don't compromise on those principles. Okay, so strong values are fundamental. They do not generally change. They remain stable. Whereas the weak values, अगर आप you can say weak values देखते हो, okay, so if you see the weak values, okay, then this weak values, if we see if you see the weak values, then these weak values are peripheral. They keep changing due to the changes in the society. They keep changing due to the changes in the society. Okay, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि religion for me it might be a weak value. Okay, I do not give very importance to the religion, but yes, it is my value, I'll give some importance. But for somebody else, say for example Jyoti, for her religion might be very strong value. She would be very very religious. रोज उठ के वो प्रेयर करेगी, रोज उठ के वो उपास रखेगी, फास्ट she would keep, yes or no, or she would follow all the, you can say, rules which are there in the religion, yes or no. So she is very very, you can say, very very fundamental about religion. But I said यार ठीक है, मैं जाता हूँ कभी, जब you can say एग्जाम होगा, जब एग्जाम होगा तब मैं जाऊंगा. Are you understanding this? I would just go to the मंदिर, भगवान को हाय हेलो करके आऊंगा कि भाई मेरे मैं याद हूं ना, यू कैन से यू आल्सो गिव बर्थ टू मी, सो थोड़ा संभाल लेना एग्जाम में, सो थोड़ा मार्क्स वार्क्स यस पास करवा दे, लास्ट रिसोर्ट. Exactly. So religion can be, you can say, weak value for somebody, and it can be strong value for somebody else. Are you understanding this? So religion, it can be strong value or it might be, you can say, weak value. ओके, रिलेटिव वैल्यू में आप एक ऐड कर सकते हो. देखो रिलेटिव वैल्यू में क्या है, हमने इंडियन वैल्यू देखा है, बट इंडियन वैल्यू कोई मोनोलिथिक है क्या? इज इंडियन वैल्यू मोनोलिथिक? पूरा इंडिया का एक ही वैल्यू है क्या? नहीं ना भैया, इंडिया में भी अलग अलग वैल्यू है. नॉर्थ इंडिया का अलग है, साउथ इंडिया का अलग है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का अलग वैल्यू है. हाउ डू दिस वैल्यूज यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट? फूड अलग है, yes or no? Say for example, Bell is from Shillong, Khasi tribe. Bell, what is your favorite? I hope your favorite is pork, yes or no? Your you can say favorite is pork, yes or no? Yes or no? Hi Anna. No sir, but you can say most of the Khasis in the breakfast, they would love pork, yes or no? Well, at least you can say most of the Khasis would love pork. Yes, she agrees to that because I've been there, right? South India, dosa खाएंगे, idli खाएंगे, yes or no? North India, they would have all, you can say, spices, yes or no? Punjabi खाना है, yes or no? North India, bamboo is their favorite cuisine. At least Bell would be loving bamboo, yes or no? Bell would be loving bamboo. Okay, but if you even smell bamboo, or if I can talk about myself, देखो Bell का favorite है, but even if I smell bamboo, you can say that food I'll not eat for 2 days. I'll not eat for 2 days. Are you understanding this? Yes, it is just like that. Okay, so dressing culture is different. Dressing culture is different. You go to Meghalaya, it is said to be, you can say Shillong is said to be the fashion capital of India. Yes or no, Bell? The clothes which the girls are going to wear there is very very amazing. If you see South India, they would be very traditional clothes. साड़ी वाड़ी में घूमेंगे. Are you understanding this? तो देखो ये भी याद रखना है, रिलेटिव वैल्यूज अगर आप इंडिया बोलते हो तो इंडिया के कोई ऐसे यू कैन से कॉमन वैल्यूज नहीं है. इसीलिए माय फ्रेंड्स, इसीलिए अभी देखो कैसे मैं इंटरप्रेट एग्जांपल्स कैसे देखता हूँ. देखो इसीलिए इफ यू सी, यू कैन से व्हेन गांधी जी केम बैक टू इंडिया इन 1915, what did Gokhale tell him? What did Gokhale tell him? Gokhale told him that 1 year you first go and study India, travel India. There you will understand what are the values of India. There you will understand what is real India. That is why, my friends, when you can say Gandhi ji, you can say, took the command, he had the pulse of India. That is why when Gandhi ji said any movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, are you understand? जब गांधी जी ने एक आवाज दिया, the entire nation stood behind him. You have to understand, when Gandhi says quit India, he was not even a member of Congress. He was not even the member of Congress. तो positional leadership नहीं था ये, कोई भी position नहीं था उनके पास. Then also why the people stood behind Gandhi ji? Yes or no? Because he had the pulse, he knew the value system. Why he started wearing khadi? Why he started wearing khadi? Are you understanding this? Because this is, you can say, he had the pulse of India. That is why we say that Gandhi ji knew India. Whereas you can say Jawaharlal Nehru had to discover India. He had to discover India. Are you understanding? I hope you understand. उनका जो book है, yes or no? That is Discovery of India. Okay, so that is what we have to understand. That is what we have to understand, right? Okay. Now you can say we go ahead. We go ahead. Strong values, weak values आपको समझ गया है. Discipline, corruption, principles, work-life balance, they can be strong or weak values depending upon the individual. Individual decides for himself, herself, but society should also have mutually agreed values, some as strong and some as weak. The summation of individual values become social values, and summation of social values become the universal values. तो इसके लिए अगर हम figure draw करते हैं, if we draw the figure, are you understanding this? So you can say ऐसा हम figure draw कर सकते हैं. We can draw the figure like this. Okay, so there would be some, you can say, different individuals के individual values होंगे. So please draw these figures in the exams. So there are so many individuals and each individual would have different individual values. तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. And then some individuals come together, this become the social values. And out of some social values, you can say, हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, कोई values क्या बनेंगे, universal values बनेंगे. Some would become the universal values. You agree, you don't agree? Yes? Okay. So please draw this diagram. Okay. Now, how are these values acquired? So values are not inborn. Yes or no? आप जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, okay, वो रोने लगता है, तो values उसके पास है क्या? Does he has the values? वो उसको लगता है कि करेला is bad and gulab jam is good. उसको पता होता है क्या ये? Yes? No. So you can say values ये क्या है? They are acquired. And how are they acquired? There is a process. There is a process. This process is called as socialization. This process is called as socialization. When a child is born, he or she is just like a clay. Yes or no? When a child is born, he or she is just like a clay. Are you understanding this? And then clay gets the imprint through the process of socialization. इसके लिए आपको कैसे draw करना है? Child है ये, child, and this is also representing the clay. This is also representing the clay. This is the child. Okay, and then ये जो child है उसके ऊपर imprints आ रहे हैं. Who is going to give the maximum imprints? Maximum imprints कौन देगा उसको? जल्दी बताओ. Who is going to give the maximum imprint? Yes, family. And in family also, you can say parents. Yes, and then you have got, you can say, second is, it is, you can say, the society, or you can say second is school. Yes, very good. And then the rest of the society. Rest of society. तो आप ये डायग्राम ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हो. Child who is the clay, then you have got parents who give the maximum, you can say, socialization, maximum inculcation of values, and then you have got, you can say, the school, जो उसका सबसे important socialization, ये भी हम discuss करेंगे आगे, right? And then the rest of the institutions in society, rest of the societal institutions. Rest of the institutions मतलब अलग अलग होगा. मैरिज के ऊपर से उसको कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूज आएंगे, राइट? कास्ट सिस्टम के ऊपर से उसको कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूज आएंगे. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो ऐसे डायग्राम्स आपको, यू कैन से, लाने हैं. ओके, इन द एथिक्स पेपर डायग्राम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन से आई वुड give you diagrams. So please draw these diagrams. I hope that you are also making your notes, and please submit your notes. Okay, please submit your notes after, you can say, your session has been done. So clay gets imprint through the process of socialization. For every relations in India have, देखो इंडिया का देखो socialization कैसा अलग है. Okay, ये example देखो क्या निकाला है मैंने ढूंढ के, कि अगर इंडिया का socialization आप देखोगे तो for in India, every relation in India has got different names. Yes or no? ताऊ, मामा, फूफा, काका, मामी. Yes or no? It indicates the importance and the meaning given to the relations. But in Western countries, only uncle and aunt. Common. Everybody is uncle or aunt. Are you understanding this? So हम जब इतने social relations से, you can say ऐसे socialization से हम जब बड़े होते हैं, we automatically start respecting the relations. And that is why in India, you have got close knit kinship bonds. You agree, you don't agree? You agree, you don't agree? Yes or no? Same relation, different names. Yes. Yes, exactly. या मासी मासा कितने सारे आपके ऐसे चीजें हैं. Okay, thus socialization shapes the importance given to the kinship in India. This is the example I am giving of socialization. It is socialization which determines values. आप कौन से values positive पकड़ते हो, कौन से values negative पकड़ते हो. It all depends upon socialization. And all this you can say socialization, maximum socialization कब होता है आपका? Tender age में होता है. Maximum socialization कब होता है आपका? At the very very tender age. Yes or no? When you are a clay, it is very very easy to mold you, but slowly and steadily क्या हो जाता है? आपका जो clay है, yes, जनत, childhood, correct, जो आपका clay है, वो clay क्या बनना चालू हो जाता है? It starts becoming hard. It starts becoming hard, and that is why you can say it is very very difficult to then adjust. देखो, I am not supporting child marriage, but when there was child marriage, there was very very less divorce. Why? Because the girl who is going to go into the, you can say, other boy's house, she can adjust very easily. Even if there is injustice on her, she would not even realize that. She would not even realize that. She would think that this is how the society is. These are the rules of society. You agree, you don't agree? You agree, you don't agree? Yes or no? She would be able to mold easily. But today what is happening? Today what has happened? Because of the education, because of the exposure to the internet, because of the financial independency, because of the work today, and because of the late marriages, you see this. I teach in sociology. मेरे sociology के बच्चे ये सब points आप sociology में भी डालना, मैं अलग अलग पढ़ाते नहीं बैठूंगा. Okay, so you can say what has happened. Okay, when you go there into, when the woman goes there into the other house, then what is going to happen? It is very hard to get mold. And देखो अभी क्या हो रहा है, देखो अभी देखो समझ के लो, two different value systems come into being. What happens when there are two different value systems? Yes, क्या होता है when there are two different value systems? Yes, chaos and conflict. Chaos and conflict. Chaos and conflict. You agree to this or you don't agree to this? Yes or no? Because of this, my friends, many women, आज देखो, many women, they prefer to remain single. They don't want to get married. How many of the women are there? Be honest. How many of the women are there? They don't want to get married. They want to remain single because of this point. Yes, देखो, there are women who want to remain single today, and they only get, you can say, they only get married due to the family pressure. They only get married due to the family pressure. And then you can say once they get married, they don't want to compromise, they don't want to sacrifice. Yes, they don't want to get molded, and that is why there are always going to be the tension. There is always going to be the tension, and this tension, if there is no good value system. देखो, ये ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूं, अगर आपके वैल्यूज अच्छे हैं दोनों बॉय एंड गर्ल के, if the values are good, are you understanding this? If you can say values are good between boys and good, they can adjust, they can take care of each other, they can care of each other. But remember my friends, जो भी बोल रहे हैं कि I am not going to get married, okay, याद रखना, दोस्त वोस्त जो फैमिली सब है, वो आपके एक एज तक है. Okay, after a certain age, you also have got physical needs. Yes, you can get satisfied this outside. I have no problem with that. But what about your, you can say, psychological needs? What about your social needs? There should be some person who is there with you, who is unconditional with you. Are you understanding this? There should be no, you can say, any, जो बोलते हैं हम, benefits, reasons कोई नहीं होने चाहिए, right? Emotional needs आपके जो है तो satisfy करने को कोई ना कोई होना चाहिए. Yes, exactly. Okay, and that person should be with you unconditionally. Today my wife, I am completely, you can say, naked in front of my wife, right? So For example, you would have an image of Nirav da, but you can say at home, मेरा जो personal space है, I might have a lot of negatives, and that is very clear to my wife. Yes or no? But still, despite all those negatives, she's with me. She's with me. So I don't have to behave in certain way. You can say I can be completely myself, and still I know that unconditionally she is going to be with me. And if you get that kind of partner in life, nothing like it. Nothing like it, right? So that is the most important thing which is needed. I hope I am, you can say, sticking to the syllabus. The best part about UPSC is you say anything and then you can justify that it is the part of the syllabus. Yes. Yes. So that is what is there, especially in ethics. Okay. So let us go ahead. So socialization takes place at a very tender age. Therefore, importance kya hona chahiye? What is the importance? What is the importance? You learn at a, you can say, tender age. That is why when you are growing, you have to have right values. If you have got wrong values, okay, then there is problem. If you have got right values, then less or no intervention is needed. Less or no intervention is needed. But my friends, if you have got, but my friends, if you have got, you can say, wrong values, if you have got wrong values, then major intervention is needed. Are you understanding? And for this intervention, resources are needed. Okay, for example, मैं आपको समझाऊंगा ये क्या बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. Wrong value अगर आपने learn किया, तो आपको इंटरवेंशन लगेगा. इंटरवेंशन मतलब क्या लगेगा आपको? पहले आपको अनलर्न करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज अ ह्यूज प्रोसेस. ओल्ड वैल्यूज अनलर्न करने पड़ेंगे एंड देन रीलर्न करना पड़ेगा न्यू वैल्यूज को, एंड दिस ऑल इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. सो when you have, you can say, wrong values, then you have to unlearn, relearn. Therefore intervention is needed, and it is also very difficult to change even after intervention. Are you understanding? And a lot of resources get wasted. Just say, for example, if you can say, if I am growing in a family of चोर, अगर मेरी फैमिली ही चोरी करती है, तो मुझे क्या लगेगा कि चोरी करना राइट वैल्यू है, उसमें क्या है, इट इज माय, इट एवरीबडी डज इट, आई कैन आल्सो डू इट. यस और नो? You will feel that it is very very natural, it is very very normal. You will feel that, हाँ या ना? Yes or no? And then you can say, मुझे पुलिस पकड़ेगी, right? Then police pakdegi, and then I would be, you can say, in the jail, or I would be in the remand house, or whatever that is according to my age, where I will unlearn that no, chori karna wrong hai, and then I will relearn new things. But this state के पास इतने रिसोर्सेज है क्या? स्टेट काउंसिलिंग देखो, अगर रॉन्ग वैल्यूज, टेररिज्म, जम्मू कश्मीर में आप हो, तो आपको क्या लगेगा? टेररिज्म नॉर्मल है, हमने लड़ना चाहिए इंडियंस के साथ. फिर स्टेट को इंटरवीन करना पड़ेगा, लोगों को काउंसलिंग देना पड़ेगा, काउंसलिंग करके उनको सिखाना पड़ेगा दिस इज रॉन्ग, एंड देन दे हैव टू गो टुवर्ड्स द राइट वैल्यूज. But does the state have so many resources? That is why the best option with the state is catch them young. What is the thing? Catch them young. At the young age, with the proper education, we should inculcate right values. That is why we have got value based education. Are you with me? Are you understanding this? Yes or no? Hi or no? Everybody in the class, please write in the chat box so that I know that you are with me and you are not sleeping, right? Okay. So since it is very difficult to unlearn and relearn by changing the wrong values which are acquired through the process of socialization, inculcation of right values at the early stage, inculcation of the right values at early stage through the socialization becomes very very important, and that is why, my friends, socialization is considered key for the society, as it determines the upcoming generation values. It determines the upcoming generation values, which in turn determines the strength of the society. इसके ऊपर से यूपीएससी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Therefore, it is said that the children are the future of the nation, as per APJ Abdul Kalam, and therefore APJ Abdul Kalam focused upon the children, क्योंकि उनको पता था कि जो old है वो तो gone case है. We cannot have any expectation from them, वो तो gone case है. Yes or no? It is very difficult to mold them. So what we should do? We should catch the children. That is why he loved children. That is why he interacted with children. Do you remember this or not? Yes. Okay. So therefore, his intention was to transform the society, the country, by transforming the children, by transforming the children. Okay, so I think that we should stop here today. हम यहाँ पे रुक जाएंगे आज. Okay, please revise this because tomorrow, okay, 6 p.m. or 6:15 p.m. को I would post the question on the Nirav the Telegram group. You have to write the answer within 15 minutes, scan it and post it, and I'll discuss one or two people's answer who have written it. Okay, I hope you can say you are understanding. Sheil, I would send this PPTs. I would send this PPTs only after we have completed. So you can say थोड़े slides बचे हुए हैं, so I'll send it tomorrow. Okay, is it okay? I'll discuss that sheet. I'll discuss that sheet. Okay, yeah. So I'll send the this slides tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I'll send it. चलो आज ही send कर देता हूँ मैं. No problem. I'll send it today itself. The slides. Okay, I'll send it today itself. No problem. Okay. So but please study them. Write the answer. Answer writing बहुत important है दोस्त. अगर answer writing नहीं करोगे तो कुछ भी आपको नहीं जमने वाला है. So please do the answer writing. Okay. See you tomorrow 6:30. I hope you are liking the lectures. If you have got any doubts regarding the ethics, you can contact on this number. And if you are not liking the lectures, if you have got any suggestions, then you can say you can contact me. Nirav the channel is जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है, that is NIRAVDA. ये चैनल है. यहाँ पे जो कम्युनिटी है, तो यहाँ पे आप चैट करो कम्युनिटी में. वो कम्युनिटी का नाम है, you can say this was the most awaited part of the syllabus, but I hope you can say Jyoti, I am standing up to your expectations, right? Community का नाम है UPSC discussion forum. UPSC discussion forum करके जो है वहाँ पे you can say you can put this. So stay home, stay safe. Yeah, stay home, stay safe. Okay, चलो, bye bye everybody. Bye. See you tomorrow.